think what sets urban teachers apart is the amount of coaching and support that you're provided with. Thinking about our community here at Urban Teachers, when I came, everyone is so aligned and passionate about creating such a great space and opportunity for our participants that this was something that drew me to this role, but also having the opportunity to create and really innovate the supports that we provide to our participants.
The professors are just, they are very empathetic to what you're going through. They know the grind. Many of them, I think all of them, have been teachers themselves.
As a white teacher coming into the profession, I teach primarily black students. I definitely had to do a lot of work to unpack how I show up in my classroom and how I can be there in a supportive way for my students. I really loved their focus on those issues and that training to be the best teacher that I can be for my students.
So it's a 4-year residency. And the fact that in your first year, not only are you paired with a host teacher, so you are really having that opportunity to truly work and improve your practice before you're a teacher of record in your second year. And so when you come into your second year, you're more prepared, you have a better understanding of what that means to truly be a teacher.
The time that they put into growing teachers and the realization that it's a really hard job and wanting to prepare teachers for that, I think is really important. So that's why it stuck out to me about Urban Teachers.
The mutual respect between teachers and students, for real. And we can have fun. You never know, you get into my buddy.